Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, clock, power brakes, fog lights, trip odometer, front stabilizer bar, battery saver. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.